Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing how to convert your smartphone's camera to a webcam. Yes, this is possible. As you all know, your smartphone is having a better camera than any of the high-end PC or laptop, and you can use this webcam to attend any of the video conferencing in apps like Zoom or Google Classroom, or even in live streaming. And another thing is you can use this with or without Wi-Fi in any of the operating system. So this is Genjijo and you're watching Creative Lab. Now let's get started. First of all, just go to any of your favorite web browser and search for Irion.com, and you will reach to its official page, and you can download it on Windows, Mac and even in Ubuntu. As mine is Windows, I'm choosing webcam for Windows and download the file, and the file size is only just 6 MB. Now open the file and click on yes. Now you will see a license agreement. Just click on I accept and next. Now select the file path where the application should be installed. Then click next. Then install. Then click on finish. Now the application is opened and showing no phone available. So now you have to download the same supporting application on your smartphone. Now from Play Store, download this application and open it. I will also provide the direct download link in my description. Now tab on continue and allow the permission. For wireless connection method, you have to connect both your devices on the same Wi-Fi. And you can also use USB method, so please watch till the end. So now you can see the video starts capturing on the screen. In this way you can capture better quality video by placing the camera in different direction. Now I can move the camera without latency at the time of streaming. Now let us look the options available in it. Here you can flip the camera to left to right, can turn on the flashlight, and in the additional settings you can adjust the autofocus, can change the camera orientation. Also you can shift from back to front camera. And on your PC you can change the video format. Now I will show you how this works in Google Meet. Now change the default PC camera by clicking on the three dots. Then choose settings. Then on video, click on camera and choose Irion webcam. Now close this box, and when you turn on the camera, it will show what is captured on your phone's camera. You can place this smartphone webcam on a mount or something and enjoy your video conferencing. If you don't have a Wi-Fi at home, you can also connect it using a USB cable. But before that, you have to unlock your developer options in the settings. Now let's go straight to the settings gear. Before that, let me turn off my Wi-Fi. Now go to settings, about phone, software information, and then tap 7 times on build number. Now you can see the developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to the application and continue and click on enable USB debugging and tap on USB debugging option and click OK. Tap on allow to give permission. Now go back to the main application, and you can use this one as a wired webcam without an internet connection. So this is all about today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up If you are already a subscriber, keep on supporting me. And if you are new to my channel, just consider to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more creative stuff. I will catch you in next video. Till then, peace.